Protein is super important because it's basically like the building block of our body, the building block of our blocks of our immune system. And when we think of protein, we should think of it as, you know, amino acids. And protein is made up of these amino acids, and our body can produce most of them, but some of them our body can't produce, and these are called the essential amino acids, and that means we need to get them from food. So that means, you know, if you eat meat or animal products, you know, you're getting all the essential amino acids that you need from those foods. So eggs, chicken, fish, you know, dairy products like cheese, that type of thing. But if you follow more of a plant-based diet, so like vegan or vegetarian, and you're not eating a lot of those animal-based sources, then you need to eat a wide variety of protein during the day in order to get what you need, basically. So I'm going to show you some like plant-based sources. And basically, in order to find how much protein you need per day, you need to take your weight, convert it into kilograms, and that's how many grams of protein you should aim for. So for instance, somebody who is 50 kilograms should at least be aiming for 50 grams of protein per day. If you are extremely active, then you should be eating more than that, likely. All right, so I showed you nuts. Nuts are a pretty great source of protein. If I ate half a cup of these hazelnuts, I'd be getting about 7 grams of protein. One of my other favorites are chia seeds. I bought these because one of my intentions was to have like more chia seed puddings for like breakfast. Really great source of fiber, good source of protein too. For every tablespoon, you're getting about 2 grams of protein. So it's not a ton, but it is some. You're also getting like omega-3s and omega-6 from this. And usually if I'm making like a chia seed pudding, I'm adding some type of like nut or granola on top, and then I'll usually add in, or I'll sprinkle on some hemp hearts. This brand was available at my local grocery store, and for about 3 tablespoons, it's 10 grams of protein. So when I'm sprinkling it, I'm not sprinkling on 3 tablespoons, but I am sprinkling on a bit, so there is some protein going on, I'm getting in there. And then lastly, beans. Really great source of protein. You can add beans to pretty much every meal. Last night I made a nice pasta dish, and I had some meat in there, but then I also added a can of chickpeas just to, like, you know, increase the protein content. So for these black beans, for half a cup, you're getting about 6 grams of protein. So you can see with these like plant-based sources of protein, the values are like quite low, versus like a chicken breast, I think is about 20 grams of protein. So you just want to make sure that you're getting enough protein during the day to help just support your immune system. All right, so if you guys have any questions, if you have any like protein snacks that you want to share with us, please do. And I hope you are all being safe and practicing social and physical distancing. Okay, take care. Bye.